To get latest free updates of my upcoming videos, press down given subscribe and bell icon.
भविष्य में मेरे चैनल के वीडियोस की मुफ्त जानकारी पाने के लिए नीचे दिए हुए सब्सक्राइब और घंटा आइकॉन दबाएं।
Hi friends, here I'm back with another awesome video. Today, here's my daughter. Say hi. Hi Rida. Hi. And she's gonna share with you tomato face pack. So Rida, let's share. Let's start. Yes? Yes. Okay, let's get started. So today we'll be requiring some milk, rice powder, 1 spoon, some 1.5 spoon of multani mitti, aloe vera gel. You can take natural aloe vera gel also. You can view my video how to make aloe vera gel at home. And here is a tomato puree which I have made. You have to take a raw tomato, just make a paste out of it, remove all seeds from it. And here is a puree. So let's get started, Rida.
Yes.
Come on. So in this multani mitti, just add 2 spoons of tomato puree. Just add 1 and some more. और मुल्तानी मिट्टी में हम ऐड करेंगे टोमेटो प्यूरी and some little bit of milk, yeah, and some rice powder. Take rice powder, yeah, just put it into it, put it all, yeah, and mix it well, mix karo usse, and some aloe vera gel, yeah. Open it, just put some aloe vera gel to it, little bit, yes, that's it, and mix it well. Mix and mix. Yeah, here is the puree. Goes tomato puree. Tomato contains a lot of phosphorus and it gives glowing skin. It helps in skin whitening and give you good texture, brightness, and the rice powder helps in skin whitening. So this whole mixture gives you a wonderful effect for your skin and for instant fairness. This is very good face pack, so do try it. Do share your comments or just say hi, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press bell icon, and do share this video with your friends and relatives. Soon I will be back with another awesome video. Thank you. Bye bye. Rita, say bye bye.
Bye-bye.
Yeah, bye.